Oh. Better that than bottom end.
How eagle that?
Yeah. Oh, flying low.
Whee!
Flying high now.
Don't that poking out getting shot. I can't really smoke. I can't have the vapour of last one. Maybe a little bit.
I'm glad I got the jacket. I'm glad I got the jacket off.
Yeah, it's warm, isn't it?
And I'm glad I took the jump off first thing this morning as well.
Yeah, I had my coat on this morning. I was sweating. I have my beanie now.
The 18th in the morning's games are going to be brilliant. The 18th December. Juggernaut game.
Oh.
And I'm going to be the Juggernaut. And there's one where I get a target, they've got to hit the target. I stay stationary for so long and they've got to come and touch me. Tell me where they want me to clear.
Where are you going?
Put it in the gun, it starts getting cold again. One of the air rifle targets. No idea, it's like a tan one from Lindsay's thing.
Imagine having the tower high enough and it was a slide, you can just slide straight down for a quick. That'd be awesome.
So there's a lot of trees though.
No, slide, just hit dead line and start sliding. That'd be awesome, that would.
Yeah.
Odd.
But the flag, mag pouches, isn't it? But your belt ones.
Belt ones.
Yeah. That'd be a good go. Those ones are plastic ones.
14 quid from Amazon or 350 from AliExpress. Got his arms and then
Just heard you. Yeah. Murder a fag like that.
I've got roll ups if you can roll.
That'd be lovely. Prices are shot in the nuts. Worth it. Cheers.
well, have a cigarette and have a shot of nuts. Nah.
Aidan, is it you doing the briefing for FOB?
Yeah, well, what's that?
No, your players come down to the riverside. I'm just down there now.
That?
It has broken its bank
Right.
and it's very flooded down here, so they need to be careful coming through.
Yeah, I warned them about that, and the swamp bit's got a bit wet as well.
Oh, good thing I won't like it.
ready.
The only certain police stations we like wet spots.
It's more for the rifleman shed route. They come down to their right, they're going to be coming through foot deep of water.
I don't care what the water runs down the valley through that stream and into there.
It's only a bit of water.
Yeah. You should see trenches though.
That's no go at the moment, isn't it?
That's the worst bit. Is if it's too hot, we can't play it because pyro just starts fires. But then as soon as it starts raining, it just holds all the water. It's literally like got to be perfect conditions. So
Yeah.
it needs a lot of work.
Yeah, I'm going to get shot in the hand.
I regret not doing my umbrella now.
I said we had tunnels and we can go under through tunnels to that system. And it cuts through. That'd be
I just
awesome.
want to get the trenches deeper. They're not deep enough. If they were deeper, they could probably drain as well.
Yeah, gravel.
Yeah.
Or you can do the World War II system, just get a bunch of boards and just fucking
Yeah.
put on like cement blocks.
Run a load of gravel balls on them.
Some pallets.
Because I wanted to board the sides as well, so it's like the banks coming through.
Double phaser status.
Right.
Bum, bum.
Keep spinning, keep spinning.
Thank you for flagging me completely throughout that demonstration.
It just doesn't fire.
My gun doesn't work for some reason.
We're all there like this.
Down there, there's a flag down the back. When you walk down there, you'll find the blue rope across the trees. There's one barricade that's gravel boards. Further back, you'll see it's got the flag on it. If you just walk straight down there, you'll see it.
Yeah, Nathan's setting out this one.
Runs in the base.
Which team are they sitting out from? Your team.
Yeah. This AK is a bit.
Just Nathan.
Yeah, that's as far as my. He's got to do some weightlifting on this AK.
Right, guys, listen up for me. No. Thank you. This is Fob Field. One team is going to start behind you, down by the rifle shed there. There'll be a flag and a respawn marshal will show you where it is. Other team, there's another flag down there in that corner. We're using a slightly shorter respawns to this one, so you don't have to run up and down the hill.
Oh, good.
But the disadvantage of being at the bottom of the hill, as you can see, it's been raining a lot. The river down the back there, the banks have burst. It's not crazy, but it's quite a lot of water, so if you don't want to get too wet, don't go down there. Just keep an eye on the ground, okay, because it is going to be quite wet out here. Objective, flag and a fob. There's a red one and a blue one. Oranges, you're raising a red one. Greens, you're raising a blue one. Get in, raise it, then your team's got to leave the fob, okay? So if your flag's in the air, your team cannot be inside, okay? You can be on the walls, you can be looking through the doorways, but you cannot go in, okay? Pyro for the fob as well, it needs to go through a window or a doorway. You've got to imagine there's a big roof on top, so anything that goes over the wall will not count, unless it's a mortar, but I don't think we have any mortars out here today. Okay, this game will be semi-only for the whole time. The boundaries along the river, we have a piece of rope that runs all the way along, and then it's orange tick markers up, along, goes back to rope again, and then any further past that respawn will be out of bounds as well. Unlimited respawn, so just head back to your flag, touch it, and you're back in. Any questions? Beautiful. I will have oranges down that end for me then, and greens down by the right end.
Huh?
But yeah, it happens a lot.
At least we don't have to go up the bloody hill now.
Chris, he's going to slip in that. All you're going to hear is...
Hopefully I film it as well.
I hope so.
Right, be up for YouTube, like.
She's around in the Oh, please, film that.
So every now and then I might take one of those.
Yeah. The first game be uploaded Monday, be live Monday, and all the other games over the week, each day over the week. So this game be uploaded. It's uploaded, but be live on Tuesday.
Where is Ray with his phone, Ray?
Follow the man. Comedy value. Yeah. You know what? Besides, just stand around watching.
It's going to be close. Yeah.
Well, there was that sniper up the back, and like about 10 people had shot him, and he just stayed there behind the tree for like the whole
So you
game.
see this massive marsh.
Where you going, Ghosty?
So we can watch the comment daddy.
Not on the puddles.
Is there a nice dry spot I can have a little lie down?
No.
Where do I usually spot that little bit in the middle there, where you usually left and right? That's when they go all the way around.
But there's one good thing, we ain't got to go up the hill.
Yeah, right.
You can do. Okay. We believe in you, Ray.
We all believe in you.
We're going to stay here, give you fire, and you're going to go into the black bit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, where the marshals are, is it? That high? Is that high? Can't go any higher than that.
I don't know.
He's just quite worried if he pulls his
can't go that way.
out, just got to pull the pin and not push it off.
Is it slowly to battle? Is it semi or is it full?
Semi only.
Semi only.